Hello YouTubers, making an unboxing video of this OMRON Platinum series blood pressure monitor. Model number is 5450. I haven't seen an unboxing video of this one, so just want to make one out. This one definitely has more features than the 10 series, so after doing some comparison I bought this one. And so let me start with unboxing of this. See what's inside. Alright, put this aside. So it comes with a quick starter guide, then some registration information on how to register, and some warnings I guess here for help and anything. And so this one is the manual. It's nice that this one comes with the actual manual, because these days a lot of devices and everything comes with an online manual. I'm glad it has a paper manual, which I like. So let's open this. Alright, so this one is the blood pressure monitoring handcuff. Also it's a battery for the unit, for the main unit. And now here we go. This is the main device. So looks pretty nice. That's the Bluetooth here. Bluetooth here, and also back here you can put the batteries in here. And also in here is the power adapter, so you can use either the battery or the power adapter. That's pretty good. So that's it, folks. This is an unboxing video of the OMRON Platinum blood pressure unit. Thank you so much for watching.